Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be taking the Malibu on a trip to San Diego, California, which is about 320 miles from here. So let's go. Now it's got 171,701 miles, and I'm going to change. This is the gas since I filled the tank. We're going to change this to be our trip for the trip. So that's at 0, and that's the clock's wrong. I got to change it, and we'll get to it. Good so far. Got the cruise set at 79. We were holding 29.8 miles per gallon steady with the AC on. It is kind of hilly right here. We'll see once we get to Yuma. Alright, so I just passed through Yuma. I stopped and got gas there, and it took, I think, 10.5 gallons. So that time it didn't click off at all, and it actually filled the tank. Before, when I filled it in the previous video, it clicked off around the full mark, but I don't think it was all the way full. But the computer said that we were getting around 28.5 miles per gallon. Had the AC on and the cruise set at about 78, 79. So 28.5 miles per gallon from Phoenix to Yuma. Now we'll see from Yuma to San Diego. It's super windy today. You can just hear it, and it's pulling the car around. It must be blowing towards us because the miles per gallon's way down and I'm going not as fast as earlier. So yeah, you can see the dunes coming up. There's a little heat wave going through. It's 86 degrees, and it's February 11th, 2022. That's ridiculous. Well, we made it. Everything went just fine, and the car did great. And I didn't video at the end because I was excited to get there, but we made it. Everything's good. Let's go. Okay, so we're leaving San Diego now. I got here just fine. Everything's perfect. Drove around a whole bunch. Went to the beach. Stuff like that. This is still on the tank from Yuma. I'm about to fill up. It said it was low until I stopped, so it's basically empty. That's our average economy from Yuma and driving around, traffic and whatnot. Let's see. Trip on this gas tank is 333.1 miles. Trip since I left home, 533 miles. So we're gonna fill up and see what it gets us. We're not going to be filling up here. I'm going to put like 10 gallons in it. Alright, I put 8 gallons in. We got 257 miles, so let's go. Looks like I did pretty good on guessing how much gas I would need to get from San Diego to Yuma. So we have 99 miles on our range, and there's, I think, 15 miles from where I am to Yuma. So pretty good, I guess. It's also super windy, so that is not helping the miles per gallon. There's a tiny whistle coming from somewhere. Sounds like it's coming from the right side. Made it to Yuma, filled up the tank. I'm gonna reset that once we get out of the city. Let's see our miles so far. 702. Let's go. Home. Very good drive with the car. Did amazing. Fixed the gas fill issue, so that's awesome. Didn't have to worry about that. Average 26 miles per gallon. Let's see here. Average speed 63. That's highway and through town. This is how far I went. This was at full. It's almost at half, went 188.2 miles. This is how far I drove the entire trip. So when I left home, I reset this, and now we're back. 889.4 miles in 3 days. We still have 273 miles left on the tank. Sweet. I'd call that a success. Car now has 172,622 miles, and the check engine light is on because the car's not running. I just have the key on. See? It did great. Cruise control works. It was basically cruise control set at 80 with the AC on. Very strong headwind, and it got 25.5, 26 miles per gallon going uphill. I'd say that's pretty good. On the way there, it got almost, well, it was doing 31 miles per gallon for a while until we got to the more hilly areas, and then it was 28, 29 until we hit like Yuma. And then after Yuma, it went down to 25.5, 26 and stayed there basically the entire time and on the way back because of the wind and traffic in San Diego, stuff like that. But overall, I'd say that's pretty good, especially since this isn't the smallest car and it has 3.5 liter V6. Call that a success. Definitely have so much more confidence in the car now. I did before, but I just wasn't sure. And taking it on this big trip definitely proved that it is a good, reliable car still, and all the stuff I've done has worked out. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. See you in the next one.